Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So let me give you an update about Google Analytics removing support for YouTube Analytics. So they no longer allow tracking of your YouTube channel data in Google Analytics, and they automatically removed it. So they did this in the last part of last year. However, they did not announce this change almost at all. So because of this, you guys might have missed this, and I wanted to make this video update to tell you about this change. So if you were aware, in the YouTube Analytics, in the YouTube Studio, you can hit a channel, go to advanced settings and hit advanced channel settings, and you will see this page. Before, here you were able to add your Google Analytics tracking ID. However, this is no longer possible. So I created a video last year showing you guys how to set up Google Analytics with your YouTube channel, and this video is not valid anymore, and I wanted to make an update for it. So in the video you can see here that before, in the advanced settings for your YouTube channel, you were able to add your Google Analytics property tracking ID, which is not there anymore. And you can note that there are also some other settings that are not there anymore about channel recommendations, subscriber counts. These are moved in other places. However, the property tracking ID is not available anymore, so you cannot use Google Analytics to track your YouTube channel anymore. So if you had a YouTube channel associated in Google Analytics, tracking stopped since last year November, and I guess this is not better announced from Google's part, because this feature was not so used by creators that have channels and videos on YouTube. They simply use the YouTube Analytics for this purpose. So you can still access the YouTube Analytics if you click on YouTube Studio and go to Analytics. So you will find the Analytics section here, and this will replace fully the the Google Analytics for your YouTube channel. So I hope this update helped you guys. If you are searching for Google Analytics combining with YouTube Analytics, this is not possible anymore. So Google Analytics is not supporting anymore YouTube. Thank you for watching until then. I hope this info helped you. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.